हाय फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम बैक टू पढ़िए विद प्राची। आज हम पढ़ने वाले हैं चैप्टर 5 अरिथमेटिक प्रोग्रेशन ऑफ क्लास 10 सीबीएसई मैथमेटिक्स एनसीईआरटी। सो अभी शुरू करते हैं हम ये चैप्टर। Hi friends, welcome to the next part of this chapter and the last part of this chapter, which is sum of the first n terms of an AP, arithmetic progression, right? So for example, we had said that Shakila's mother put 100 rupees when she was 1 year old, then another 50, which is 150 rupees on her second birthday, then another 50, which is 200 rupees on her third birthday. So how much money would be collected when she's 21 years old? What are we doing here? We are figuring out a plus 21, the 21th term, right, which is a plus 20 minus 1, which is 20, a plus 20d. So we are finding all the 21 terms. A is 100, then 150, then 200, then 250, then 300, and so on and so forth. And then you have to add it all. It seems a lot of cumbersome, right? So there has to be and there should be an easier method, right? So let's see, how do we do it? Let's take a simple example first, and then we are going to move on to the formula of how to calculate the sum of first n terms of an AP. Let's take a simple example, consecutive terms 1 to 100, right? So the AP is 1, 2, 3, 4 till 100. What is the sum of these terms, right? 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5 plus 6 plus 7 plus till 100. So let's write sum 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 100, right? Let's write sum again, but in the reverse order. Let's add this up. So we see that it's 101, and obviously it's occurring 100 times, right? Because this, these are a pair of 1. So 100 terms. So what is this? 101 into 100. And what is S? Divided by 2. So this is a sum, 5050, right? So similarly, can we find out the formula for anything? So let's write, what is S? A plus D plus A plus 2D okay. Let's write it in reverse order. Let's add this up. 2s equal to, what is this? A plus A, 2a plus n minus 1 d. Let's see, 2a plus d, if you look at it, d plus n minus 2. If we bring this inside the bracket, it will become plus 1, right? So it's again what? N minus 1 d. So similar to here where it was 101, 100, 100, this is a term which has been repeating how many times? N times, because it is a sum of n terms. So what is 2s? N. So what is S? So this is the formula, sum of first n terms of an AP. Now what do you know about the last term? What is the last term? It is an. What is it? A plus n minus 1d. So how can you write this? You can also write it as n by 2 a plus L, right? Do you understand how I did it? Break this up. N by 2 a plus, take one a from here and make it with this. A plus n minus 1 d is the last term, or you can write it as an also. So first and last term ka sum n by 2. This is the sum of first n terms of an AP. So let's start with exercise 5.3, the last exercise of this chapter, and proceed here. We know the formula. What is the formula? Sum n equal to n by 2, 2a plus n minus 1 d. Okay, so first question, first exercise 5.3, second part. These are the AP terms of an AP. You have to find the sum till 12 terms. So first we have to write what is A. We have to basically do this. N is 12, A is 37. What is D? D is minus 33 minus 37 minus of minus 37, which is what? 4. So what is S? 12. 12 by 2, 2 into minus 37, then 2 sevens are 14, 2 3 6 7 minus 74 plus 44. What is this? Minus 6 into 30. So this is the answer. Moving on to the third part. Here A is 0.6. What is D? D is 1.7 minus 0.6, which is what? 1.1. Sorry, 0.6, right? Yeah, 1.1. So what is the term? 100 terms. So n by 2, 2 into 0.6, 100 minus 1 into 1.1, 1.2, 50 into, now what is this? 99, 99 into 11, 1089, 108.9. What is 1.2? 50 into, so this goes, this is the sum. Moving on to the next question. This is question number 2, part 3. These are the numbers, 5 until. So we know A is equal to minus 5. We know last term is equal to minus 230. We know differences. We don't need to know the difference. We know Sn, but we need to know n, right? So we need to know the difference also. So what is difference? Minus 8 minus minus 5, which is what? Minus 3. You can check it others also. We know D also. So what is n here? A plus n minus 1 D is 230 minus 230, which is minus 5 plus n minus 1 into minus 3. Taking it to the other side, minus 225, n minus 1 equal to 45, no sorry, 75. So n is equal to 76. So this is the last term is 76. So that means 76 terms ka sum. A plus L, just take this. Minus 245. 76, this is what? 38 into minus 235. That should be the answer. करते हैं multiply. यहाँ करते हैं 235, right? I hope my answer is correct. 38. 8 5s are 40. 8 3 are 24, 28. 2 16, 17, 18. 3 5s are 15. 3 2s are 6, 7. 3 2s are 6. See, I also multiply and I also do all these things. I'm not very fast at calculations, right? Answer is wrong. LOL. Why is the answer wrong? The answer is a little bit close, which is 8930. तो मैंने कहाँ पे गड़बड़ की है? Let's figure it out. Let's see. I know the answer. A equal to minus 5, L is equal to minus 230, right? And the difference is minus 8 minus minus 5, which is minus 3. A equal to minus 5. Minus 5 जब यहाँ आ जाएगा तो 225 हो जाएगा. n minus 1 d हो जाएगा तो ये minus minus हट जाएगा. 3 into what? 7s are 15, 75. ये इधर जाएगा 76. So n is equal to 76. यहाँ डालेंगे 76 by 2. First and the last term, minus 5 and minus 230, which is minus 235. 38 into 235. Let's see. 8 5s are 40. 8 3 are 24, 28. 8 3 2s are 16, 18. 3 5s are 15. 3 3 is 9. 3 5s are 15. 3 3 9, 10 होता है यार. ये क्या किया है तुमने? 3 2 6 7. रुक जाओ. 3 5s are 15. 3 3 is 9, 10. 3 2 6 7. So what is the number? 8. The number is what? मुझे लग ही रहा था कि ना इधर ही आसपास कुछ गड़बड़ हुआ है. So this is the answer. See how I'm fixing it. See, again, as I told in my another previous class, where see, as of now what I'm doing, it's very simple for me to say. How do we do it? ये आपका तो गलत हो जाता है ना आंसर. तो स्टेप मार्किंग एक होता है सबसे इम्पॉर्टेंट थिंग, स्टेप मार्किंग. दूसरा ये जैसे मैंने पहले ही बताया, आपको रिवाइज ज़रूर करना होता है. और क्वेश्चन इज हाउ मेनी टर्म्स ऑफ एन AP. क्वेश्चन नंबर 4. हाउ मेनी एक्सरसाइज 5.3 क्वेश्चन नंबर 4. How many terms of an AP? Now the AP is this 9, 17, 25. 636 is the sum. So we don't know which number is this. We know what is this. 9 is A. What is D is 8. Now sum is given is 636. We don't know the n. We know 2 into 9 plus n minus 1 we don't know into 8. ठीक है. 2 को अंदर ले जाते हैं, ठीक है, ताकि थोड़ा सा हमारा लाइफ ईजी हो जाएगा. उसको ओपन भी कर देंगे ब्रैकेट को, पर पहले हम इसको वो कर देते हैं 18 प्लस, अगर अंदर ले गए 2 को तो 9 रह गया, यहाँ 2 को ले गए 4 रह गया, 4n माइनस 4. ठीक है, n. Rearranging, doing all the kahani, पर first what is 9 minus 4? 9 minus 4 is 5. 4n square, 5n minus 636 equal to 0. Solve for n. Then you will know what is 636. Let's do it. You will see how I am also working, because this is something which all these questions which I am doing, I have never solved them. Okay, let's see. 4 into so this is 154, right? नहीं, 156. 5n लाना है हमें. सो थोड़ा और हम इसको ब्रेक डाउन करेंगे. 4 into 4 into 30. No, so it's not 4 into 4. 2 into, no, it is 4 into 4. Sorry guys. 4 into 4 into 4 into 156 को फर्दर करेंगे. 12, 36. 4 into 4 into 4 into 9. ठीक है, अभी देखते हैं. 16 minus 36, no. 16 and how do we get 5? 36 minus 16, no. What is this? 4 into 4 into 4? 4 into 4 is 16. 16 4 64, no, definitely. 16 4s are, yeah, 16 4s are 16 4s are 64, right? Yeah, that's not the case. Do we further divide this 3 into 3? So let's see. We need to get 5. 3 4s are 12. 3 4s are 12. 3 3s are 9. 9 4s are 36. Okay, let's do it more. What is this? 2 into 3 4 है ना आपका, 4 क्यूब एंड 3 स्क्वायर है नेट, राइट, विच इज़ 2 क्यूब 2 to the power 6 into 3 square. Is it helping me anywhere? I have no clue. I'm just trying to figure out 5n कैसे आएगा. So एक नंबर हमारा वैसा होना पड़ेगा. So 2 cube into 3. What is 2 cube? 24. (48) ले लेते हैं. 2 to the power 4. 16 3 48. 2 square into 3. 4 into 3. 12. नहीं आ रहा यार, कैसे करेंगे इसको सॉल्व. 636 is equal to a is equal to 9, d is equal to 8, n minus 1 into 8. 2 अंदर ले गई मैं, 2 इंटू 9 9 हो गया, प्लस 4n, इसको 4 से कर दिया, 4n माइनस 4 हो गया, 4n प्लस 5 हो गया, 4n स्क्वायर प्लस 5n माइनस 636, दैट इज व्हाट्स इट्स कमिंग, राइट, 9 प्लस 4, ठीक है. सो व्हाट इज 636? अब 636 इंटू 4, सो हाउ डू वी राइट 636 इंटू 4? आई थिंक तुमने यहाँ पे कुछ मिस कर दिया है. It is what? 156 into 4 into 4. What is 156 further? 4 into 4 into 4 and again 36. है ना? 4 into 4 into 4. What is this? 64. 64 and 36 में कुछ नहीं आ रहा है, तो थोड़ा हमको कम करना है. 636 into 4, right? What is 636? 4 in. So net what is this? 16 into 3, which is 48. I think you guys would be better than me in this, but nevertheless, this is what? 156 ना? I think there is something wrong here. कुछ गलत किया हुआ है थोड़ा. I think ये सब कटेगा. वन 1 2 ये है नंबर. 16 is a 48. No. 3 4s are 12. I don't know why I'm making so many mistakes out here. ये नंबर है. व्हाट इज़ दिस? 48. 53 माइनस 48 आ गया ना. सी पढ़ी विद प्राची में मैं भी पढ़ ही रही हूँ यहाँ पे. आई डोंट वांट टू मेक इट साउंड वेरी, आई डोंट नो व्हाट, बट या दिस इज़ हाउ इट इज़. आई एम गोइंग टू पुट दिस एज पार्ट ऑफ द video guys. It has to be. So 4n plus 53, right? 53 into 4. So ये 53 किधर से आ रहा है? 16n, ठीक है? 16. No, sorry. 12. अभी समझ आया? यही आप करके देख लो, यही है. n इक्वल टू 12. अब मैं इसके आगे नहीं बताना मुझे क्यों n इक्वल टू 12 है. आंसर इज n इक्वल टू 12. आई एम गोइंग टू कीप ऑल ऑफ दिस in my video and for you to see my struggle as well. You'll be like laughing at this. मैं कैसे स्ट्रगल करूँ. सी मैंने 5.3 एक्सरसाइज कि ये सब क्वेश्चन नहीं किए हैं. कुछ करे हैं मैंने, डेफिनेटली करे हैं, बट कुछ मैं यहीं पर आप ही के साथ सॉल्व कर रही हूँ. लेट्स मूव टू क्वेश्चन नंबर 10. an is equal to 3 plus 4n. Find the sum of first 15 terms in each case. So we are going to only do one. Okay. I don't want to make my recording like 100 years long. Okay. So what is, first we have to find what is a. A is when n equal to 1. What is that? 3 plus 4, which is 7. What is d? an is this. ये इधर से okay, an is equal to 3 plus 4n. Okay, so what is the last term? It is this. Show that the an form an AP when n is different. So you have to show that it's an AP. Show that it's an AP. Okay. Find the sum of first 15 terms in each case. We know this is this. Okay, what is a plus d? Second term. Second term when n equal to 2. 4 to 8 plus 3, 11. When third term (12 plus 3). So what is this difference? 11 minus 7. भाई मुझे लग नहीं रहा कि नहीं. 4. फोर इंटू 4 सिंपल प्लस नहीं हो रहा है मुझसे. 16 प्लस 3 19 4. सो वी नो a इज़ 7, d इज़ 4. इतना पता चल गया ए पी है ये. भैया ए पी तो ये है. नाउ 15 टर्म्स का सम. मैं सीधे कर रही हूँ यार, तो पेशेंस बच नहीं रहा है मेरे पास अभी. सॉरी गाइस. नो, आई एम राइटिंग एवरीथिंग. इट्स नॉट लाइक आई एम नॉट राइटिंग. 56 plus 7, 63 into 15. 15 3 जा 75. 15 6 जा क्या है? 15 6 जा 120, right? 120, right? 90 plus 7 9. 975 is the answer. The answer for question 5.3. The answer for question 5.3. Question number 10 is wrong. It's 525. I am sorry guys. Sorry. कैसे करें यार? 7 4 है, 15 बाई 2 है, 2 इंटू 7 2 अंदर ले गए, ये 2 है यार. 28 plus 7. 28 plus 7 35 into 15. 15 5s are 75. 15 3s are 45. 45% 5. 525. Which we are moving on to is, if the sum of first n terms, that means Sn, is 4n minus n square, right? What is the first term? So what is the first term? First term is obviously S1, just 4 minus 4 into 1 minus 1, which is 3. But this is also A. So this is the first term. What is the sum of the first two terms? That means S2. 4 into 2 minus 2 square, 8 minus 4, 4. What is 4? A plus D. So what is D? Because A we know is 3. 3 को यहाँ डाल देंगे तो 6. D equal to minus 2. Similarly, find the third, 10th and nth terms. Now we have to find A3. 2D 3 minus 2 into, मतलब basically plus 2 into minus 2 minus 1. Right? What is AN? Opening the brackets. This is the answer for AN. Okay. So first term is, this is correct. Third term is minus 1, minus 13. This is wrong. 16 में. No, this is 10th. एक्चुअली ये तुमने 9 से ये क्या कर दिया तुमने? ठीक है. आई होप आपको ये चैप्टर अच्छे से समझ आ गया हो. Let me know if you have any comments, any questions, any feedback, any queries in the comment section below, or maybe on the live session. I can pick it during the live session and address it there, or maybe make another video. Till then, सीखिए with Prachi, जानिए with Prachi, पढ़िए with Prachi, and like, share, comment and subscribe to Padhiye with Prachi.